In this video, we will learn about how to log in to another Facebook account using your existing one. So for that, we will log into our Facebook account and hit on the profile picture at the right top part, and we will hit at the right top part our profile picture, and here you can see there is an arrow sign at the right part of our profile picture. I will hit on it, and now you can see other accounts option, and I would hit on it, and now there's a plus button here and a text log into another account, so I will hit on it. And now you can see there are two input fields here: phone number or email address and password. Inserting them, we can log in to another Facebook account. That's all the video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.